Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to descale my DeLonghi dedica EC680 espresso machine, which I have been using for past 4 months. This machine is most affordable model in the DeLonghi series and it's a manual one. I'm really happy with its performance and this is the first time I am descaling it. DeLonghi recommends to performing descaling periodically to prevent limescale deposit from building up inside the machine. To start the process, make sure to remove the filter holder from the machine. For this task, I am using DeLonghi descaler that comes with the machine when I purchased it. DeLonghi recommends to using only this descaler, but I have found a few other similar options on Amazon and eBay. When the steam button light starts blinking red, it means the machine needs to be descaled. When opening the descaler solution, please be careful to avoid contact with your eyes. It's recommended to wear eye protection. To descale the machine, fill the tank with the descaling solution diluted with water following the instruction on the packaging. Press the on-off button and place a cup under the cappuccino maker. Wait until 1 and 2 cup lights turn steady, indicating that the appliance is ready to use now. Press and hold the steam button for 10 seconds until the 3 buttons flash in sequence. Turn the steam dial to the steam position and press the button to activate the descaling function. The descaling program will then start and descaling liquid will flow out the water spout. The descaling program removes limescale deposits inside the appliance by automatically performing a series of rinses and pauses until the tank is completely empty. During descaling, you need to clean the boiler outlet. To do this, close the steam dial periodically to allow a small quantity of descaler to be delivered from the boiler outlet. When machine has stopped operation and the red light continues to flash indicating that descaling is still in progress, the coffee maker is now ready for rinsing with clean water. Extract the water tank, empty it and rinse it under running water. Fill it with water up to the maximum level, then place it back into the machine. Empty the cups used to collect the descaler, replace them under the hot water spout, ensuring the steam dial is in the steam position. Finally, press the button to start the rinsing process again. Second stage runs faster than the first and empties the tank much more quickly than the stage 1. Be sure to switch the steam dial to the off position multiple times during the process to ensure clean water flows from the boiler outlet. Wait until the program completes and the tank is fully empty. Make sure to clean the steam wand as it may contain milk deposits. To do this, rotate the cover clockwise to remove it and gently pull it out. Using a toothpick, you can clean the nozzle if there is any dirt stuck. Clean the water trays and gently wipe the machine with a soft cloth and a small amount of water. The coffee machine is ready to make my coffees again. Hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you on my next video.